Welcome to this week's edition of the Weekly Health Insurance News Roundup, brought to you by Health Insurance Online. This week we have a few stories to look at, sort of the good news, bad news variety. We'll look at the bad news first. Apparently because there's a sort of donut hole clause in a lot of Medicare health insurance policies, a lot of patients are foregoing getting medicine because when they reach a certain point of insured care, insurance stops and they have to pay the full amount for their medicine. So a lot of people, even those with like diabetes and stuff, just aren't getting their medicine. So something needs to be done about that. The next two articles we looked at are both regarding universal health coverage. The first shows that nearly 500,000 people got health insurance under Massachusetts' mandated healthcare system. And also that less people are actually using emergency rooms when they don't need it, which is a kind of a form of expensive health insurance. 44% decrease in emergency room usage since the last year, so that's pretty impressive. The next article also looks at universal health care, but kind of in the vein of other countries are doing it, why aren't we? It's kind of anti-Republican, and while I usually don't like to include that, it's an interesting article in its own right, so I let that slide. The last article talks about how preventative health care, such as exercise, diet, can help us save money on healthcare costs in the long run, not only as individuals, but as a society. So, kind of a smorgasbord of interesting articles this week, but overall fun stuff. So, you can read the entire article over at Health Insurance Online. That's www.online-health-insurance.com. Hope you have a great week, and we'll see you next week.